Polk Audio Atrium 5 Outdoor Speakers with Powerful Bass Review 2019. Created to live and play outdoors, your Atrium speakers can be installed in any open space by a pool, in the patio or a sunroom, or tucked away somewhere in the backyard. They will deliver exceptionally great sound. Polk Atrium 5 speakers feature a 5-mineral-filled dynamic balance polymer cone, a 3/4 anodized aluminum dome tweeter with rubber, surround and neodymium motor structure that provide wider sound dispersion and surprisingly powerful bass. And are immune to the elements. At 100 W, low frequency response of 60 kHz, and its PowerPort bass venting feature, these speakers cut through loud, jarring background noises. Recognized as one of the best-looking outdoor speakers, Polk Atrium 5 speakers come with a steeply angled baffle design filling open spaces with big full-range sound that is sure to leave you baffled. The outer profile easily blends into the corners of the outdoor walls, giving a minimalist look to the home exteriors even at this size.Total frequency response 60 Hz 25 Hz.Nominal Impedance 8 ohms.Sensitivity, 1 watt at 1 meter, 90 decibels. Atrium's one-click speed lock mounting bracket offers easy anti-slip. One-handed installation allows you to mount these speakers vertically or horizontally to deliver the best possible sound in a variety of situations. Simply mount the swiveling C bracket, adjust the angle and fasten the speaker with a click. The speaker for all seasons, its rugged durability, high environmental endurance and superior quality has helped Polk Outdoor Speakers pocket the all-weather certification. These loudspeakers can effortlessly withstand extreme temperatures and heavy rain year after year. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.